want to meet you and go over a couple of things. First thing, safety. We have been told there are some rays, so please, as you're walking in, just shuffle your feet to scare them off. That way you're not running and stepping on one. So, or go last and follow the path. Big thing for today is continue working on siding as we move over to the ocean next week for the swim clinic and everything. So find out what you want to work on, have something ready, questions, tips, or anything that you want to know so that we can address that over in the Gulf.